Welcome. Take a moment to place your device aside. Allow your eyes to rest gently on a still point. Let your shoulders soften and allow your breath to slow without forcing it. There is nothing you need to do right now, nothing you need to solve. Simply arrive in this moment. Today's reflection is an invitation not to escape life, but to understand it more deeply, to reconnect with the eternal energy within you, your soul, and to recognize the healing intelligence that exists beyond what we can see. Here on earth, we live within systems of structure and meaning. We carry titles, certifications, roles, and responsibilities. We seek purpose through work and success. And when we struggle, physically, emotionally, or spiritually, we naturally seek guidance from other human beings. Doctors, therapists, teachers, advisors. And this is not a flaw. This is part of being human. But often our understanding stops there. We forget that healing, wisdom, and guidance are not limited to the physical world. We overlook the deeper reality that consciousness itself is layered, and we are always participating in more than one level at a time. Even science now tells us that reality is influenced by awareness, by attention, by perception. Healing does not begin only with intervention. It begins when the nervous system feels safe, when fear loosens its grip, when awareness shifts. And this is where consciousness meets God. Not as a distant authority, not as a reward system, but as an intelligent presence woven into existence itself. And this is where heaven begins to be misunderstood. Heaven is often imagined as passive, a place where souls rest on clouds, wings spread wide, time standing still. But this image misses something essential. The spiritual realms are not idle. They are intelligent, coordinated, and purposeful. Just as human beings organize, collaborate, build systems, and solve problems, the spiritual realms operate through divine cooperation. Each spirit, each soul in expanded consciousness works under the umbrella of God, consciousness, or the divine source. And their shared mission is not success, not recognition, not fulfillment through external achievement. Their mission is awareness, to gently raise human consciousness beyond fear, separation, and survival-based living, to support humanity as it evolves into a more intelligent, compassionate expression of itself. And this is not a fantasy. It is a continuation of consciousness, simply operating beyond physical senses. Within this divine cooperation exists what many traditions refer to as healers, the doctors of heaven. They are not symbolic. They are not idle observers. They respond to awareness, permission, surrender, and trust. Healing is never forced. It is offered. So now, gently bring your attention inward to your body, your emotional landscape, or your spirit. Notice where something feels heavy, tight, tired, or simply asking for care. There is no need to analyze or label it. Just notice. Now imagine awareness itself resting there, like a gentle light or a calm presence. And silently say to yourself, I welcome healing from the doctors of heaven. I welcome healing from the doctors of heaven according to divine will and for my highest good. And then allow yourself to simply receive. You may notice warmth, a soft pressure, a subtle pulsing, a release, or perhaps even a quiet stillness. There is no correct sensation, as awareness itself is the doorway to healing. Now allow your attention to shift away from long-term outcomes as we move gently into trust. And let this be your mantra. I surrender to healing. I trust the process. I am supported. Healing does not always arrive in the way we expect, and it is not written into every life that all conditions resolve completely. But it is always possible to release the illusion of fear. Fear feeds illness. Fear deepens depression. Fear separates us from fulfillment. And as awareness expands, fear naturally loosens. Feel the presence of support around you. Calm, intelligent, compassionate. You are not being fixed. You are being realigned. And you are not alone in this process. Take a gentle breath and know this truth. You are part of a greater whole. You are supported by seen and unseen intelligence, and you are deeply loved. Let us close with gratitude. Divine Source, thank you for your presence, your guidance, and the healing intelligence that surrounds us. Thank you for the doctors of heaven and for the awareness that connects all beings in a shared mission of growth and peace. May I remain open, receptive, and aligned. Amen. And when you are ready, gently return to your surroundings, carrying this awareness with you. If this devotion touched your heart, please like, share, and add a comment. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for more uplifting, exhilarating, and relaxing reflections. Thank you for listening.